And that's exactly what we do from Jesus. We invite you, please, come to church. When you come to church, dress properly, sit in the front, not as you're sitting now, there, and all spread out, as if outsiders, outcast people. Let us celebrate the liturgy together. We come to church not out of private devotion. Mass is not a private devotion. Mass is a community celebration. We must celebrate together. You go to a Protestant church and see how they sit. They have to bring their own Bible. They have to bring, in some churches, their own hymn book. They should sing. When the pastor reads the Bible, they have to open their Bible. Pastor will not tell you the page number. He will say, Isaiah chapter 50, verses 1 to 15. You must open Isaiah. They know the Bible so well. Our people know nothing. They don't know where is Isaiah and where is Ezekiel and where is book of Sirach. We are good in many other things, worldly things, but what is primary, the word of God, we are not. At times I wish I go there in the church and hold your hands and bring you here. Brother, sister, come, please sit here. Let us celebrate together. Because I cannot bring this altar to you down there. But you can come forward. But our people are same, stubborn, hard-hearted people, Jesus, to use the Jesus language. I would like to pray today for people who come to Bon Jesus, that they will become different. They will be filled with the love of Jesus. They will follow the teaching of Jesus. And they spread the message of Jesus to others, so that others will come to know about Jesus. They may not become Catholics, but at least they will come to know about Jesus, the love of God, that our God is loving, forgiving, caring. He is interested in us. He will not abandon us. He is always with us. This is the message of love we can give to others, provided we are filled with this message. Therefore, let us ask for this grace, that we may follow the example of Peter Faber and become missionaries in our own way.